When you use word very a lot, you can sound very boring. It is very cold outside. I am very hungry. It is very beautiful. I am very good at this. Very, very, very. You must use different words to make your language sounds richer. Express yourself in a better way to sound like a native. It is okay to use very, but sometimes we use it too often. Let's learn a couple of synonyms to sound like a native speaker. Let's start. Very good. Phenomenal. Superb. He's a phenomenal musician. This movie was superb. Very poor. Destitute. Many of them were destitute and homeless. The way this country treats the poor and destitute is shameful. Very worried. Anxious. I'm anxious to meet her. I can't sleep because I'm anxious. Very fast. Rapid. She speaks rapidly. She is a rapid speaker. Very boring. Dull. This book is dull. A dull but necessary conversation awaits. Very cold. Freezing. It is freezing today. Very rude. Vulgar. I don't like your vulgar tone. Very short. Brief. We had a brief conversation. Very clean. Spotless. The room must be spotless, my mom will come to visit me. Very hot. Scalding. The coffee is scalding. Be careful. It is for liquids only. Very hot. Scorching. It is scorching outside. Here there is little shelter from the scorching sun. Very big. Huge. New York is a huge city. Very happy. Thrilled. I'm thrilled to see you. Very hungry. Ravenous. I am ravenous. A huge lion with ravenous hunger. Very slow. Sluggish. In the morning I am usually sluggish. Very rich. Wealthy. In the future I will be a football player. I want to be wealthy. Very tired. Exhausted. After 2 hours of training, I am exhausted. Quiz time. I live in a very poor part of London. I live in a destitute part of London. I work hard, so in the evenings I am usually very tired. I work hard, so in the evenings I am usually exhausted. In Poland, there is often very cold in the winter. In Poland, there is often freezing in the winter. Although sales were very slow at first, the album was eventually a hit. Although sales were sluggish at first, the album was eventually a hit. Hi Anna, you look very good. Hi Anna, you look superb. One day I will be very rich. One day I will be wealthy. Workers were very tired. Workers were exhausted. In 2020, we achieved a very good score of 99 points. In 2020, we achieved a phenomenal score of 99 points. A very poor man sitting on a park bench. A destitute man sitting on a park bench. I'm very happy we made a real connection here, Thomas. I'm thrilled we made a real connection here, Thomas. Well done.